So today I'd like to introduce you guys to what I believe will be one of the most useful, well-rounded, all-purpose software that every small indie studio or creative team should have under their belt. Whether you're a writer who needs to storyboard your ideas, a YouTuber who just needs thumbnails, an illustrator who just needs stock image backgrounds, a game developer needing 2D images or texture maps, a casual hobby artist, or even a professional designer, FireFly is applicable to all of that. And best of all, it's lightning fast, super simple, super intuitive, and affordable.
So let's get ahead and type Adobe FireFly in our web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. So let's go ahead and type. We'll click, and this is the main preview of the site named Adobe FireFly. So now, if you are an AI fan, actually this is the heaven of AI. So firstly, we must sign in, or else the site would ask us once we start generating images. So I advise that you just sign in. So I'm going to continue with Google. There are three options. So I'm going to continue with Google. Choose an account. And there we go. Now you have signed in to an account. So there are user guidelines actually. So I'm not going to read all the user guidelines and all. And first and foremost, I must say this: pornographic material or explicit nudity. So actually, if you are a dirty-minded person, this is not the site for you. So I will click agree, and they will give us the things that are new. H2 model, and I'm going to close it. So basically, this is the home of the Adobe FireFly. So they will show us the ways of generating images. So let's go and see the functions of this website. So try this out. There are text to image, generative fill. If you go ahead and see, it will give us some images, and this generative fill, and text effects, generative recolor, text to template, text to vector graphic. So these two are available in Adobe Express. One is in Adobe Express, that means text to template, and others in the Adobe Illustrator. So basically that means they are integrating each and every, means every Adobe product, there are going to be AI integrated with it. So it will be marvelous. As the first function that I am going to explain, it would be text to image. So let's go ahead and click generate. So there are pictures that are previously generated using this tool. So actually they are marvelous. Go down and see, there are many pictures. Describe the image you want to generate. Actually you can type anything that are inside the brackets of the community guidelines. So make sure that you follow the guidelines. I'm going to write something like rabbit with a standing. So let's get ahead and generate this image: a rabbit with a banana standing on a bucket. So So as you can see, there is another model version named Firefly Image 2. There we go. If you can see, there are 4 images generated. As this is the free version, they limit us to 4. So these are real images. So they have given us few editing tools like aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, score, or widescreen. Like portrait, and they have given the visual intensity like content type, art, photo. I have given photo. If we click art, then we can click generate. Wow, now this is the correct images that I have imagined. A rabbit with a banana standing on a bucket. A photo means a real image, so there can be something like that. So the art means and visual image is something like that. So now these are beautiful pictures actually. There's visual intensity, style is there. So there are many effects like painting, digital art, hyper realistic. So we will click hyper realistic and click generate. Oh wow. What about digital art? So this is a digital art. They have given color tones like golden. We can do lightning, composition, landscape photography, macro photography, shot from above, surface details, and lightning, low lightning. What about low lightning? And I'm going to change as a warm tone, no, toned image. Let's see. As you can see, firstly I have given art, then digital art, then low lightning, and a toned image. So these are my styles. Oh wow, now this is what I was expecting. This image is actually beautiful. uh, there are advanced settings, we will see. So I guess that's it for text to image function tool. Actually this is very beautiful, and if you click on an image and they will give us a download, copy link, copy image, edit in Adobe Express, submit to FireFly gallery, save to library. I will go ahead and click download. So this is a special feature because Adobe is committed to promoting transparency around content generating with AI tools like Adobe FireFly. As you can see, they will give us content credentials will not your creation used by a reference image. So each and every image that is generated using this, the images are combined with these content credentials and things. So due to the copyright issues and all. So we will click continue, applying content credentials. That means the image is bind with these data. So if we click open, you will see the image. And overall, this entire tool was actually superb. If we go back, next my function is text effects. I'm not going to go for generative fill. I'm going for text effects. So I will click generate. Actually, there are beautiful things like these images are like super. I'm going to enter some text. I'm going to. This is the theme that I'm going to generate with my text SL, a metallic and PZ. Oh, wow. So this is something actually superb. So there are some sample prompts and also match shape. That means you can lose the surrounding things like losing everything. Or I have put media as the software generates medium, and you can change the font color, background color, black. and click generate. You can put any color as you like. So I'm going to keep it like this. As the previous one, you can download it, and also the same thing applies here, the content credentials. Here we go. Actually, this is very beautiful. The two words that I have given, like metallic and PZ. So as you go down, there are many things actually. Actually, this website is also very interactive. If you go here and say FireFly image 1, FireFly image 2. There are many things like, so that's it for this website. There are many other tools. So I have given out the tools regarding text to image and text effects. So there is another two free usable tools like generative fill and generative recolor. If you go, you can add Adobe FireFly premium plans starting from $4, and also premium plan Adobe Express with FireFly. Everything in FireFly premium plan. So it's $9. Actually, it's very effective price, because when we go for other AI tools and software, this price is actually low. With all these features and tools, as you can see, they have integrated these Firefly software. And that's it guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and let's see you from another video.